Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
So dear students, in our previous classes we learned about percentage, ratios and what are the increase and decrease in percentage. In this section we shall discuss about discounts. So first, what is discount? So discount is the reduction given on marked price of an article. When you are going for shopping, sometimes you find there is a price written in the tag of this article. So that is known as mark price. So here on the mark price, discount is given by the shop either to attract the customers or to promote the sale of the goods. So here one thing, that is mark price. Then after giving discount, minus discount, then at a price the shopkeeper sells the good, that is known as sales price. So one price is written in the tag, that is known as mark price. Then discount amount is deducted from the mark price, and at this amount or at this price the sales or the goods are sold. So this is known as sales price. That means discount is equal to mark price minus sales price. So this you have to remember, discount is equal to mark price minus sales price, or discount is calculated on mark price. So discount percentage is equal to discount by mark price, or simply it is written as MP, or you can write mark price multiplied with 100. So this is the formula for discount percentage. So let us solve this example. An item marked as rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. What is the discount and discount percentage? So here in this question, mark price of the item is equal to rupees 840. Then after discount, the sales price is rupees 714. So here some discount is there. After deducting the discount, the sales price becomes 714 rupees. So what is the discount? So discount is equal to mark price minus sales price. So this is equal to rupees 840 minus rupees 740. So this is equal to 126. Then what is the discount percentage? Is equal to discount by mark price into 100. So this is equal to 126 divided by 840 multiplied with 100. So this is our discount percentage. So this is 30 by 2, that is 15% is our discount percentage. So in this way you can find discount amount and discount percentage also. Let us solve another example based on discount. The question is like this: the list price of a frock is rupees 220. A discount of 20% is announced on sales. What is the amount of discount on it and its sales price? So here it is written list price. So previously I told it as mark price. The mark price and the list price price, they are same. The names are different. So in some questions it is written MAC price, and in some question it is written list price. So please don't confuse it. MAC price is same as list price. So here, so we will solve this problem by applying two methods. So first method, the list price of the frog is rupees 220. Then a discount of 20% is announced. So discount is 20%. So what is the discount amount? So our discount amount is equal to 20 by 100 multiplied with 220. So this is equal to rupees 44. So again the discount amount is subtracted from the list price to get the sale price. So sale price is equal to list price minus discount. So this is equal to rupees 220 minus rupees 44. So this is equal to rupees 176. So this is our sale price. So this is the discount amount and this is the sale price after discount. So let it solve in another method. So let, here in this method we have to take the list price as rupees 100. So 20% discount means the amount of discount is rupees 20. So let the list price is rupees 100 and discount is 20%. That means rupees 20. 20% of 100 is rupees 20. Sorry. Rupees 20. So discount is 20%, that is rupees 20. So after discount, what will be the sales price? Is equal to list price minus discount. So this is equal to 100 rupees 100 minus 20 rupees. This is equal to rupees 80. So when the list price is 100, then sale price is rupees 80. List price is rupees 100, then sale price is rupees 80. So when it is given that the list price is rupees 220, so when list price is rupees 220, then sales price is, that is 80 by 100 multiplied with 220. So this is equal to 4 by 5 multiplied with 220. So this is equal to rupees 176. So this is the sale price after discount. Then what is the discount amount? So discount is equal to list price minus sale price. So this is equal to rupees 220 minus rupees 176. So this is equal to rupees 44. So this is the discount amount, the same as we found in first method. So any method you can adopt, whatever is convenient to you, you can apply any method. So these are all about discount. You remember one thing, discount is subtracted from mark price to get the sale price.